Hey guys, welcome back to Hike Oregon. Want to see what I eat on a 4-day backpacking trip? Well, stay tuned for today's video. Tonight I'm eating this Good To Go meal. I love this Good To Go because they now make single serve. So usually you see them in like the huge packets and it's way too much food. I found these single serves and they're perfect. So I'm having my pad thai. I love pad thai and it's 460 calories, which is great for dinner because then I'm gonna have like a 200 calorie dessert. So that's just about perfect for backpacking. For breakfast, I'm eating a Nature's Path organic oatmeal packet. I've put a 1/4 cup extra instant oatmeal in here to kind of make it less sweet and more caloric. And then I'm having, of course, a lovely Starbucks Via, my favorite coffee. This is my morning snack. I'm gonna have this red bar, the chocolate flavor. I absolutely love red bars. They are calorie packed, low sugar, high fiber, high protein. They're plant-based, they're gluten-free, 210 calories, so that's really good snack to tide me over until lunch. So for lunch today, Holly and I are sharing because this feeds 2 people and we have like a tortilla as well. So we're having the Outdoor Herbivore Pinhoti Pinto Queso. It smells really delicious. This is my first time having it. And so we just put it in the pot and we're letting it soak for 5 minutes. And then we're gonna get out our tortillas and put the stuffing in there and enjoy a great lunch. This is our view. Pretty epic. Epic lunch view. So what did you think about the Pinhoti bean burrito that we had?
That was super yummy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna order some of my own.
Excellent.
Very good.
Excellent. Wow, I look amazing. I thought it was delicious as well. It served 2 people, so it stuffed 2 burritos like really well. I agree with the 2 serve-in portion size. That is really accurate. It did feel like it was oozing out of our burritos. So it was plenty for lunch. You can make it cold or warm. I think it would be a delicious dinner as well. So if I had it for dinner, I would probably eat both burritos by myself and I would have it warm. But for a lunch, I mean, it tasted amazing cold, even though I'm not too fond of cold tortillas, but it was still really good. So highly recommend. Tonight I am eating Outdoor Herbivore Cheesy Sierra Couscous. Looks delicious. It is prepping now. And then with it, I'm having some buffalo tuna, and I have some hot sauce as well if it needs some extra flavoring. That's my dinner tonight on night 2. For today's breakfast, I'm trying the Outdoor Herbivore Denver Veggie Scramble. I'm gonna have that with a tortilla and some hot sauce. And then of course my wonderful Starbucks Via. And this gorgeous view of the Rogue River. There's Holly. It's just a beautiful morning. What are you having for breakfast?
I'm having coffee and a bar.
A bar? What kind of bar? A melted bar? Wow, look at the...
This bar
that
saves
is
lives. Dark chocolate and coconut. That's all I got for you.
Let's zoom up on that. There we go. Yikes, show it on the side. Oh. That's what happens when your stuff is in a bear vault and warm all day. Okay, so I'm not sure what happened with my egg scramble. I was super excited about it because it smells absolutely delicious, but it seems to be soupy. It looks like the eggs didn't puff up. You know, like dehydrated eggs, they like puff up. I know I put the correct amount of water because I did measure with my handy cup over there has a 3/4 cup water sign, like little line on it. So I know I put the right amount of water. It just seems like it didn't puff up. So I'm going to talk to Outdoor Herbivore and see what happened. Maybe it's my elevation. Maybe I have no idea. Maybe I need to like boil it longer. I don't know. Something happened. I would love to try it again because it, like I said, it smells so good and I was so excited to have it with my hot sauce and my tortilla. But luckily I have some Nutella and I'm eating my tortilla with Nutella. So that'll be my breakfast for this morning. And I'm sad about my scramble. But I'll keep you guys posted on what they say about it. Okay, so I feel really stupid. For anyone who paused the video and looked at the directions, you will know why my eggs didn't puff up. It is because I did not follow the directions. It says pour the contents of package into the water and then continue to cook for 5 minutes or until water is evaporated. So of course I had soup because I just let it sit there. I didn't continue to cook it. Yeah, my mistake, and I can't wait to retry this and do it the correct way because it smelled super delicious and I'm sure it is super yummy, like all of Outdoor Herbivore's food. The mint chocolate red bar. This is my favorite flavor of the red bars. They're all really good. There's not a flavor I don't like, but the mint chocolate is my favorite and this is gonna be my morning snack. So when it's hot like this and sunny and I'm sweating a lot, I always like to take one of these electrolyte tablets. So it's the Noon. You can get energy or without energy. I think the energy just means it has like B vitamins in it, and you just put them in water and they fizz up and make the water taste delicious, and then you drink it and you replenish some electrolytes because I'm sweating a ton and I'm just drinking tons and tons of water, and that is going to deplete my electrolytes and then I'm going to feel like crap. So it's really important to have something like this. Holly also has like electrolyte jelly beans, so you can, get it in candy form too if you didn't want to have a fizzy drink. So for lunch I'm having some lemony herb quinoa from Outdoor Herbivore. It is a cold soak type salad, and I just put it in this Talenti jar with a 1/4 cup of water because I broke the lunch into 2. It's a pretty big lunch otherwise. What is that? Oh! Oh, wow. What the heck? Okay, so the quinoa salad was excellent. It was flavored just the right amount and it was very refreshing, especially on a hot day like this. I don't want to be cooking lunch or eating heavy stuff, so it was super refreshing, perfect for such a hot hiking day. Today is our last night and I'm having Mountain House spaghetti with meat sauce. This is one of my favorite meals ever, even though it's so bad for you, but I take it at least once backpacking because it is my absolute favorite. I don't even know why. It just tastes so good and it's the best thing for the end of a long day of backpacking. It has 2.5 servings and each serving is 230 calories, so it is calorie packed. So for dessert every night, I keep forgetting to show this, but I've been really enjoying these. I picked them up at Fred Meyer. These organic Ocho bars, chocolates. They're really high in calories, but they're really small. I had a caramel peanut one. I had a coconut one, which was delicious, dark chocolate coconut. And then this one is peanut butter, milk chocolate filled with peanut butter. So this should be really good. Should taste like a Reese's. Yeah, these have been amazing. They're organic, great for backpacking dessert because they're like really small and calorie packed. Okay, so this morning is a little crazy because we had a bear in the camp last night, so we're a little late, team late start, and a little tired. Today I'm having oatmeal. Apparently it was flavorless. Accidentally grabbed plain oatmeal. Luckily Holly had this delicious cinnamon apple crisp. Yum, right? She was so kind to give me a few scoops to kind of put on top, and it made this 10 times better than just choking down plain oatmeal. So that's my breakfast for the 4th and last day. So earlier I had another red bar. That was my snack for this morning, but the last 7 miles of the trail are like really tough today for some reason. So I have 2 other snacks that I can eat. These are literally my last little bits of food. So I really packed my food pretty well because I didn't have anything extra and I had just enough, which is awesome. I'm getting really good at packing food and knowing how much to pack. So for my last little snack, I have one of these raspberry fruit leathers. These are really, really tasty and they give you a little bit of sugar boost, which is nice. And then these are awesome. These little from 7-Eleven, these classic snack sticks, which are just, you know, like little beef stick or whatever. I like the regular kind. I don't like any of their weird flavors or anything. I just have these little meat sticks and a fruit leather, and that will tide me over until we get to the end of the trail. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have any questions regarding any of the food that I ate on trail, I will link everything down in the more info bar below, so you can check out the links there, get any of the bars or any of the food that I ate on trail. Like I said, all of it was super delicious this time. I really packed my food perfectly. If you aren't already, go follow me over on Instagram. That's where I post all of my photos from recent adventures, day hikes, backpacking trips. And if you are interested in hiking or backpacking here in this lovely state of Oregon, check out my website, hikeoregon.net, and you'll find great information over there. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next adventure.